so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work.
Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun.
You know what else is sneaky? Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. To show you my dog. I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye-bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hand. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis. Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower? What? None of you guys blow me, so. Sea slugs.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big pog for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. Whoa! Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No! What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hello, howdy, how's it going? Welcome. Hola, bienvenue, dzień dobry, dobry wieczór, dobry dzień. Hi, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's doing well, hope everyone's doing good, hope everyone's doing fantastic. Welcome to the Sunday stream. We're streaming on a Sunday. That's an odd occurrence, it's not. Ah, well. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hello, Vespa. Hello, Marty. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. Hi. We're going to be playing with Stoops today. But first, because we're waiting for Stoops right now. I don't know when they'll be available. We're gonna play some Balatro because I've gotten into it a lot, and I started doing like daily runs of it. So whilst we wait for Stoops, we're gonna do this real quick. Poggy. Work was a pain, but I'm doing well. Fair enough. I'm glad you're doing well. I'm sorry that work was a pain. I'll punch everyone. What time is it for you? It's now 10:40. Since I'm in Poland. I'm doing good, working on a music video. Ooh, fun. Very fun. Very, very fun. What you working on this time? There's no one my friend and I was so bored, oh god. So it was like very slow then. Okay, so I'm here. You're in Poland. Yeah. Witam sąsiedzie. Witam, witam. Let's try and go for the for the build up here. That's not what I want. Actually, no, it's not. Can do 10s and aces here. Straight. There we go. Exactly, and we had nothing to do. Oof. But hey, at least you're getting paid money. That's all that matters then. Listen, as if you don't have nothing to do, but at least you're like still getting money. Think of it as a positive. Joker gains +2. Contains. That's the number of time poker hand has. Should be pretty good. Cool. Looking at a new song, but I don't know if it will release on time. To be honest, there's a lot of work and it's overwhelming. I get that. I get that. Working on songs is a pain in the ass. I still need to finish my song. And I'm stupid. Let's clear this out. See if we can get a 6. We can't get a 6. Can we get a 6? Oh no, wait, hold on. This works. Bear with me. Bear with me 1 second whilst I try to do the video gaming here. I don't want to... I mean, I could do a pair. I don't know if that's going to be enough though. No. 5, 6, 7. I was trying to aim for a 9? Oh, for an 8. That works. Yeah, I get it though. It's like when you're working on a song and stuff. If you have a deadline, it sucks. I know. That's why I never have deadlines for songs, because then I don't get stressed out if I don't meet the deadline. I started working on an edit today, finally. It's the alphabet song from Matilda, but with Stoops' song, so it will take a while turn. Well, I'm hoping that it's gonna be fun. Hoping that it's gonna be fun for you. Hello, Jamie. Can't believe I got called Schmolaf. Unbelievable behavior, but goes well. Rooting for you. I'm trying my best. Trying my best. It's the most I can do, really. Oh, club cards, okay. Great. Can only do kings right now. Don't we have... It's already fun. I'm writing all the songs in alphabetical order. Jesus Christ. There's enough songs to do an alphabetical order. That's crazy. What's this nerd stuff happening right now? Oh, it's just poker. But like it's what's it called? Like it's like oh fucking I forgot, like roguelite, but like poker. So you get that, yeah. Though I personally really like deadlines, they help me with navigating. That's fair. I should have deadlines, but also deadlines stress me the fuck out. So yeah. It's not like deadlines on videos. I'm not so good at making art or videos, so this is mostly a stressful thing. That's fair. That's understandable. It's not... I think my run is balked from this fucking, like... because of this. I don't have anything good. If you give me an ace now, I'm gonna... Okay, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Do I have enough? Oh, no, I don't. Okay. 1 trillion views in 20 minutes while you really fell off. Who, me? Bro, I'm lucky enough to have like 2. I did an AMV for someone. I didn't need a deadline. I did it in a day. Also, you never give me a deadline, so it's nice. Yeah, I never like giving people deadlines as well, because also it stresses people out. Although then, like, if I do give people deadlines, then this is fucking good. Shit. Can I sell a card? Oh, that's a really good fucking card as well. Shh. Ah! Oh, that's a pain in the ass. Oh, I wish I could keep this. That's so annoying. Fuck. Sorry, bear with me. I am... pissed off. But hell yeah, who did you do an AMV for? Unless you're not allowed to disclose yet. 1 trillion, same number. Basically. It took me 4 months for one video, and I didn't start Desperate Video because I'm sick. Yeah, that's fine. I never want to like put like pressure onto people when it comes to like doing something for me, because like especially like since you're taking your like own time of your own life to do shit for me, I don't mind. It's genuinely A-okay. Oh, please give me clubs. Yeah, buddy. The giant first Pokemon Civilization track is already out. Oh shit, let's go. Pog. Dude. Full house. Should probably like stop doing discards. Let's do. There you go. Speaking of which, actually, speaking of Parkour Civilization, I should probably move that to there. Speaking of fucking Parkour Civilization, I did actually watch the fucking, like, the movie. I can't believe I did, but I fucking did it because... because I was so bored, like, when there was no internet. I'll take that for now. Cool. It's so much fun doing it. Now I'm working on a surprise with Red Rob. Ooh, Red Rob. Why do I recognize that name? Four of a kind. Pog. Let's go. There's another core artist. Ah, fair enough. Money would be good. Cool. Forgot to ask, have you been schmo? Where did this come from? Why am I schmo? What? I've been doing okay. I've been doing better now because I have internet. Since I didn't have internet for like quite some time. But now I do have internet, so it's kind of poggy, if I do say so myself. Give me a diamond. Give me a diamond. Yay! I mean, okay. Schmo for Schmolaf and Olaf Schmolaf. Why am I a Schmolaf? Where did that come from, huh? $777. That's a full house. But yes, I've been doing good. I've been doing better, like I said, because I have internet now. Unlike the last week where I didn't have internet and I couldn't do anything. Fog. Big money moves. Big money moolah. 6 hands. I don't give a shit about this, to be honest. Let's get this. Whatever that is. We have a bunch of cool stuff, including Byron crossplay. Yeah, let's go. God, I need to get into cosplays myself. I've been discarding that for a long time. Also, it doesn't help that money is an issue always. I just think it's haha funny. My humor's on the brink of collapse. You know, no, you can call me Schmolaf. It's fine. I'm not upset. Just was not expecting the Schmolaf. We need one more heart and then we can play this. Let's see. Can we get 2 hearts, potentially? So I don't need to use the card that I have in my hand. Never mind. Okay. Got the glasses yesterday. I also got Fiend glasses. I might collect all the glasses at this point. Just get all of them. Fucking. Listen, glasses are there to be bought. Funky glasses are there to be bought by other people, to be honest. So. Plus. Okay, I need to do this. Stoops! Welcome back to Babushka's house. Still my child, Scrunch out. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the resub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. What waifu / bundle would you like? Also, I'm ready whenever you are. I can just stop this. I was just doing my daily Bellatra run. Burb. You mean Quasmo or just a random burb? I know I have Cosmo here somewhere. I know for a fact I do. I need to fucking sort these out. There you go. Why is Cosmo so large? In a sense of like the pink of him. Oh. Hello?
Hello, is that based Olaf?
No.
No, to whom do I have the pleasure of speaking?
His assistant.
Hello, Jesus. I'm here to play some Deep Rock Galactic.
Oh hell, I'll let him know. Oh no.
So you can just pass that on and I'll get Stoops for you.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, how you doing?
hello.
My new secretary,
Yeah.
Dave.
Yeah, he's new. I pay him by making him live in my house.
You pay him by making him live in your house. That's more like that sounds like slavery.
No.
I'm pretty sure that's slavery.
No,
you
not-
pay someone by forcing them to live in your house.
No.
I think that. I think that's not. Well, we'll discuss that later.
Yeah, that's a
With the
PR
relevant
meeting thing.
authorities.
Yeah. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. Sorry, I'm a little later than I'd hoped. Busy day. But then, which ones aren't these days?
Exactly. That's completely fine. I'm always that's why I'm always happy to have you whenever. I know you're a very busy person. So
It's true.
I'm always happy to have you whenever and wherever, whenever, as Shakira once said.
As the great prophet Shakira
Yeah.
did once prophesize.
She did go
Whenever we're meant to stream together.
yeah. She did go oh Lord, Lord.
Oh, it's a classic tune.
Very classic tune. Very, very classic tune. Yeah, because I know you're busy a lot of the time, so I don't want to obviously also pester you with this.
I appreciate the invites. I feel bad that I can't accept them as often as I used to be able to because things just keep getting busy.
Yeah. Yeah, they get more and more video things.
So
And
many
then-
videos. Someone asked me earlier what I was working on, and I tallied it up, and I realised I'm working on. Let me just count it again in my head so I get this right. That one. Those two. That one. That one.
No.
I think I'm currently working actively at various stages on 7 projects.
Yep.
Eight
about
projects. I forgot one. 8
Oh.
projects.
There you go. Yeah. Be like that. That's the life of the stipendium.
That's their life. Oh boy. I posted a post in the Discord server to say that we are here. I shall also retweet something. I'm assuming you've done a tweet. I shall retweet the tweet. And then the rocks and the stones and
The
things
rocks
of that
and the
ilk
stones.
can indeed progress.
Yeah. Do I hit rock and stone? You do. Hello, Mr. Brick. How's it going? Do I? Oh, there's crowd
Hello.
control. Not for this game. Not for this game. We're gonna vibe and chill. I did have a crowd control yesterday. Not for this one, but yes. Yeah, it's been a hot second since we've played. When was the last
It
time we played?
has.
Oh no, we played a few weeks ago for Death Sprint.
We did, yes. I thought you meant last time we played this specifically. Which was
Oh, this specific game? I can't remember. I think the last time we actually played this game was during the 12-hour stream or the 24-hour stream. I think it was.
Quite possibly. Quite possibly.
And that turned into a fucking 36-hour stream. Woohoo! Wow! 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 Wee! Yeah!
Those sounds of fun.
Sounds of fun. I need to do that again at some point. Not sounds of fun, but just the thingamajiggy.
The thing
The 24-hour stream.
Okay, I have posted some social media posts of that sort of thing,
Mm-hmm.
and I will now launch the video game that is Deep Rock Galactic.
Let's go. Rock and Stone. I forgot how to play this game, by the way.
Oh yeah, me too. Something about you hit the rock and get the stone.
Yeah. That's something along those lines, right?
Jamie Clavers. Olaf, have you ever DM'd a D&D session before?
I have multiple times actually.
Oh,
I do
know that. Nice.
I do DM D&D session group that I have tomorrow actually.
Oh, awesome! I had no idea. That's really cool. I've always wanted to DM, but I've not played enough D&D to feel confident in doing it yet. It looks really fun.
It's fun. I'm also like intimidated by it most of the time because I'm just like, oh shit, I need to think of stuff as well. So yeah.
It's so much like work and planning.
Yeah.
Just from like what I've been told by all the DMs I know, like I don't know what I'd ever have planned to actually have time to
put the campaign together. But I would love to, I'd love to run a Bioshock D&D. I think that could be a really fun setting.
Oh, that would be
for,
fun.
The D&D campaign. You have plasmids instead of magic.
Yeah. I'm sure like there's definitely like what's it called? Oh god. A homebrew
Oh yeah.
like thing already done for it. Oh, there you are.
I have no doubt in my mind that it exists. Hello, we are dwarves.
We are
in
dwarves.
space.
We are indeed in space. Hello, Mystical Waffle and Clockwork Wigson. Welcome to the Slavs Good Now for She Slavs. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for appreciate it. And Vixen, thank you very much for the tier 2 sub. Welcome to Babushka's mansion.
Hello and welcome.
You're now my child/grandchild. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the sub. I appreciate a big hype in the chat. It means a hell of a lot. What waifu slash banda would you like? Wow, Jesus Christ. Yeah. I'm speechless, as they say. What did I miss out? I won't be able to stay for long today, so that's okay. That's completely fine. People coming over, so I hope you both have a great time. Oh yeah, also Canadians, because I found out yesterday. Happy Thanksgiving, Canadians.
Oh, Canadian Thanksgiving is today. Hello and happy Thanksgiving.
It was yesterday, but I didn't say it yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. It's fine. Just popping in from Stoops' server to say, and give a look. Gotta finish editing DRG content, coincidentally. Wow, crazy. Holy shit.
Oh, nice.
Well, thank you very much for stopping by. Hello, hope you're doing well. Explosive. Hello, Liz. Hope you're doing good. Hello, Rockin' Stone. Named a one shot the other day, and I had this NPC called Peggy, and every time she was mentioned, the players called her a different P name, and at first it was annoying, but it became hilarious. That's the thing. It's make sure your players have fun.
We in the campaign that Shravely just ran for me and a few other people, we had this running joke. There was a character in an NPC called Gadislav who turned out to be a villain. We somehow got into this habit of whenever we met an NPC and had to ask, like, we were trying to find their location.
Yeah.
We would ask them, "Do you know Gadislav?" Even if we knew they knew them, even if they were like close friends, like we always start the conversation with, "Do you know Gadislav?"
Oh my god.
We don't know why it happened, but people would get endlessly frustrated because it'd be like the fourth time we'd spoken to that NPC and the fourth time we'd asked them if they knew Gadislav.
Do you know Gadislav? Every time.
You know Gadislav? Do you know Gadislav?
Do you know Gadislav? Oh god.
Like, of course I know Gadislav. She worked with me for 20 years.
Do you know them?
We've talked about this.
Hmm.
What do you do now then? Oh, interesting. Oh, okay.
No, fun. Oh god. I also did a pickup mission already.
Oh, you did? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What now?
We get on the ship.
Okay, the ship is just...
Yeah. Oh. Forgot to add the say hi part of my message for... Oops, that's fine. Listen, I figured it out. Don't worry. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. I need to save money for groceries.
Barbecue?
Oh, Compact Barbecue. What a name. Hello, hope you're doing well. Thank you very much for stopping by from Stupendium server. I appreciate it a lot. Hello, Suncup. You need to save money for groceries and other food items. Don't spend money on me if you need to fucking buy shit for yourself.
Look,
Stop!
groceries are nourishment for the body, and Olaf streams are nourishment for the soul, and they're both equally important.
They are. However, you need to have money for yourselves. Please. Do not. Please be careful with your spending. Egg.
Okay, I do not remember anything of how this game works.
Nope. Same. Shoot worms.
Right click is pickaxe. Okay, cool. Good to know. Mouse wheel changes weapon. That's to be expected.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I have a fucking
Oh, F is
turret.
a flare. Okay, cool. Love that.
Is that Morkite? Nitra.
It's no, that's just the currency, right? Nitrogen,
Yeah,
so you buy,
yeah,
like,
yeah,
ammo
yeah.
box and things.
Oh, we got... Speaking of Morkite, there's some Morkite here.
Ah. Oh, lovely. I do love a good ball.
We do need to collect Morkite, which is good.
Is this just a standard, like, retrieve all?
Yeah,
and
I got
Oh,
like...
ease us back in.
Yeah, and I did set it to like easy difficulty as well.
Okay.
Because there's no way in hell... Oh, that's a grenade launcher, okay. That was wrong. Yeah, because there's no way I'm fucking doing a big one since I haven't played this game in so long. Although
Yeah.
I was planning to, like, for myself, but I also don't want to play it by myself without you. It feels wrong.
Aww.
It feels like I'm cheating on you if I do it by myself. Oh god. It's so fucking dark.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that flares are a thing. I'm like, my torch is so bad. Oh yeah, flares.
Yeah.
And oh god, I'm the scout. Of course, so
Oh yeah, you got the big flares.
I got the flare gun.
Yeah. Oh, there's some more. Oh, what the fuck did I throw?
Oh. Okay.
What the fuck?
Oh, okay.
What is this?
Well. Oh, it's one of those things.
Here? Like literally
Apparently.
from. Oh my god. Okay.
Maybe there's like an event happening.
Maybe.
Request
That's-
rock.
That's crazy.
I guess
Though.
we'll
Holy
request
shit.
the rock pots. Sure, why not?
Let's go. That was quick.
Yeah.
What am I missing? Oh.
Right. Well, the rock cracker bags. Yeah.
If I said this, but I gotta make this as a disclaimer. I do apologize if I don't read the chat. I try my best. However,
However,
I
he just
am-
doesn't like you.
no. There is a thing called I cannot concentrate on two things at once. So when I'm playing a video game, I'm kind of in the sense of that takes priority. Although you guys also take priority. Okay, so that's one of them connected. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. I think you have to connect it to the other side. Yeah.
Oh, Christ. Okay.
Did I not have like? Oh, I do have. Okay. I have platforms. Come
Oh,
here.
nice.
I forgot. I was like wondering, does this character not have platforms?
I just deconstructed mine.
Okay, while you do that, I'm gonna wait.
Go read some chat.
What did I miss out? One of my D&D characters rolls low for every check where he needs to use his brain, then very high anytime he's trying to show off. That's very funny. Opposed to my character just rolls low every time. It's so dumb. My campaign, I've somehow made my character bisexual because of a joke I made. Now they stole the joke and ran with it. Oh my god. Okay, so... Ouchies.
Oh, we have to like manually. Okay.
Yeah, we have to, do that. I'm very financially stupid gal, okay? It's fine, listen. That's understandable, I get it. I used to be financially irresponsible. Ah! Zio with the 5 gifted subs. Oh my god. I was not prepared for this. Hello. You've jump scared me. Zio with the 5 gifted subs to Aaron, Ash, Marty, Lady Knight, Herb Rapide, and Cheese Girl. Welcome to the Slav Squad now for she's welcome to Babushka's house. You're now my children / grandchildren. Hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the gifted sub, Zio. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat. Means a hell of a lot. Jesus fucking Christ. Whilst this was happening, I can't believe this. Oh, we need to repair it. How the fuck? How? What do we? What?
One's not damaged. Okay.
Oh, we need to like do it from the thingy. Yeah.
I see.
Okay, I'll repair both. I'm on my way. What waifu slash band would you like if you would like any, by the way? I'm a bonk someone who gets a random wrench bonk. I'm so like. Also, hi, Fire Tiger. Hope you're doing well. Hello, hope you're doing good. Hello, Zio. I guess you don't get gifted subs enough since you always say you get jump scared every time I do it. Yes. Listen, it's been a rough few months, so at this point I get jump scared by any notification, to be honest, or like any notification that includes people giving me money.
Got all hammers online and hammering away. Good work.
Oh, we did it.
Okay.
I think.
The rock has been cracked.
Left is to deposit the core samples.
Okay. You got it.
Yeah.
And then put that into Molly.
How does what buttons to summon Molly again?
I do not remember.
Okay. Because there is
Molly's here anyway, so it's fine. Oh, thank you for the hydration. Hydrating in a second. C to summon Molly, thank you. Hello, Oros. Hope you're doing well, by the way. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Chill boy, welcome to the Slav Good now for She Slab. I hope you enjoy. Say thank you for appreciate it. Just here to listen, anything's fine. Noted. I'll put on Crosshair, I might as well.
Okay, where are we heading? Where's the
There's a thingy we have to mine through up top.
Ah.
Let me put on Crosshair. Ooh. Crosshair tiny compared to Cosmo. Okay, what did I miss? Sorry. All good, but multitasking is hard. Multitasking is hard. So do you throw a ball that turned into a flossing man? Yes, it did. Yes, I think that's to it's like a distraction thing. The game is a lot more.
I'll just go for it.
Yeah, the game is a lot more intensive than most. Yeah, pretty much. Have negative reading capacity. Understand reading chat is hard. Oh yeah, 100%. Listen, I can't read, so it's very hard to read chat in the first place anyway. Yeah, so... where you at? Did you already go?
I know, I was too next to you.
So we have to go through here.
This way.
Because oddly enough, the crystal has literally dropped where we were gonna mine.
Oh, I see.
Oh right, need to hydrate. Fuck, I forgot about that. French punk has been decided. I am punking. No. You got this, base. I'm trying my best here. Doing my best. Can't read. Just open your eyes. You're right. I am currently streaming with my eyes closed.
Donkey, come here.
Donkey, come here. Oh, what's this?
Gold.
Gold.
I'm full of gold.
Ollie, over here.
Like that one song, we are gold.
Always mine all of the gold.
Gold.
Fill up your pockets with gold.
We're indestructible. Because we have gold.
Spandau Ballet.
Nah. What a name, by the way, for a fucking band.
Right? Nitra? Don't mind if I do. Oh, health thought. That heals me? Okay, I thought that was the currency.
Oh yeah, that's the health crystals.
I see.
Oh, there's big worms. Oh, this is a big fucking place. Ah. Oh, God.
Oh, crikey. Okay.
You fucking, it's huge! Your grandma keyboard is so fucking hot. I don't know why I did. Maybe it's the fact that I'm running Minecraft in the background. Huh? I thought you said your keyboard's attractive. My keyboard is so hot. Bite slip.
Something purple and shiny up there. It's a big boss guy down the bottom.
Yeah. You can use your special flare.
One of my special flares.
Need one of your special flares.
About to impact your area.
Oh, again?
Zone immediately. Time to get busy, miners. Swarm detected.
What the fuck?
I don't know what this is I'm mining here, but it looks important.
It's a boss? Question mark?
We'll find out, I guess.
It's a boss. All right. Oh Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. Noted. What the fuck are these creatures? Hello? I've never seen those before.
I see.
Oh, we need to mine this stone again.
Yeah.
Brother, there's so much like happening now. What the fuck? No, not yet. Now. Okay, we need to mine the stone again.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
We've treated several things at once over here.
Fucking. Oh yeah, I did the easiest difficulty to, you know, ease us in.
To be fair, I've still got like full health. I'm not really dying. There's just a lot.
I'm dead.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good timing.
I fell.
Oh, okay.
Because I got exploded. God fucking damn it.
Oh, there's a special pod for the force stone. Okay.
Okay.
Where did you
Don't-
fall? Oh,
don't-
you're in the
yeah.
burn hole.
Yeah.
I'm not going to rescue you from the burn hole.
No, don't. No need. When I was in temperature, no, I figured it out. Because they found the core stone. Is it bad? Who's fussing over a keyboard? No one, don't worry. Welcome to season 5 where we have nightmares galore. Oh, is this the Halloween season? Is that what this is?
Nicely done, team. It will be interesting to see what R&D figures out about these stones.
This is actually the stuff I'm making a video on. Oh, interesting. Fair enough. Can I not respawn? Oh, do I actually have to wait for Stoops to res me?
Wait, really? I don't know if I can get. I don't know how to get down there.
Do you have like any... Don't you have a zipline or whatever?
Oh, maybe. Yeah. How does that work? Zipline. It's been a long time since I've played this. I do have a zipline. I can get down.
Liz, welcome back to Babushka's house. You're still my child, grandchild. I hope you enjoy. Stay! Thank you very much for the resub. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. What waifu slash Amanda would you like? Jesus fucking Christ. Can we, like, relax with the... with everything? What the fuck is Hollow Might? Jesus
That's
Christ.
one of the normal elements. I'm sure we've had that one before.
Probably. Kind of sad that didn't play during the chaos. I think it's better that it didn't play during the chaos because I would actually be fucking overstimulated. Ah! Ah!
You okay there? Oh.
Zio with the another 5 gifted subs to Dean, Despicable Rex, Crowded King, Jose, and Jamie. Welcome to Babushka's house. You're now my child slash grandchild. Children slash grandchildren. I hope you enjoy. Stay. Thank you much for the gifted subs. I appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. Jesus fucking Christ. Strawberry, yes. And then what waifu slash Amanda would you link? Another Zio. Fucking Christ. Can I play video game? Hype Train Pog, maybe? Are we gonna try and get this again?
If we can find the thing that summons the things, then yes,
Yeah.
sure, why not?
Molly is on the way.
Molly, come here. It's always fun to send money when it traumatizes the streamer. No! To be honest, Stoops once said, donate to the base. It's a brilliant waste.
Did I say that?
Yeah. Like, this was like ages ago when we were still playing, what's it
Sea
called?
of Thieves?
Sea of Thieves, yeah.
Magic man.
The halcyon days of Sea of Thieves.
Oh, the Sea of Thieves. Vixen, thank you very much for the 100 bits. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. Just as long as you don't have a panic attack from the audio when the subs happen, I'll try not to. I'm not planning to, at least. Don't worry. It's not gonna happen. Okay, I've spawned the thingies.
Okay, I just found some Holomite, so I'm just mining that.
Feel my wrath.
Ah! Okay, time to spawn the turrets here.
One sentry gun ready to be built.
play video game, did you see what happened yesterday? That you can never play. Oh yeah, you're right. To be honest.
Platform.
Platform not made. Can I mine this? Oh, I can. Pog. Yowza. This is such a... Oh, God.
What's the button to summon the little 3D map?
The little 3D man? You like the distraction
3D
bar?
map.
Oh,
No,
3D
no,
map tab.
It's like a.
It's tab.
Oh, yeah, hold it. I see. Okay.
Freaking come on. It's a nice headphone you got there. What, me? Who? I don't, me? Headphones? Couldn't be me. Hey, that works. Let's go. Okay, where's the other one? You've got to be fucking kidding me. Swearing. The connector is like up there.
Funny words, magic
Oh
man.
shit.
I'm trying to get to it. Zio, thank you very much for another 100 bits. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. God damn. Thank you very much for the biddies. I appreciate it. Not having a panic attack. Famous last words. Don't worry. Those will be my. They'll never be my last words. Ah!
Look at
Oh,
the
jeez.
green crystals around here that aren't giving me anything when I'm mine. They look like they're indicating there might be something in the rock.
Maybe you have like. You're full of them now?
No, because it would say it was full. I think it's like
Uh.
so certain rock types like have like little hints of a crystal that imply there's something more under the surface. But I'm not finding anything, so maybe it's just decorative.
Hmm. Interesting. Oh, what the fuck is this?
That is rather a vein of hot. So,
Sleepy artist.
I don't know more.
Welcome to Babushka's house. You know, much else. Scrunch, hello, homie Joey. Say thank you much for the sub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. Thank you very much for the subs. The hype train, Poggy. Means a hell of a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Hello, it's been ages since I've joined the stream. I'm so glad Deep Rock is the Deep Rock one, so as I'm getting into the game now. Hell yeah, let's go. Listen, Deep Rock Galactic, fun game. If you don't get bombarded by literally everything.
Get ready, team. Horde of Glivis
Oh.
wolves heading your way. Get your stomping boots on.
I'm mining the Morkite.
Let's go. Payday fucking 2 music.
The swarmers are on you.
One sentry gun ready to be built. Armed and ready.
Speaking of Payday, God, I want to fucking play Payday again.
It's a shame that apparently Payday 3 was bad, so I've been told.
Yeah.
Stand your ground. Give no quarter.
I mean, we can technically play Payday 2 if anything as well.
It's true.
It's there for a reason. I remember that I have free will and a credit card. No! Listen, don't go into debt if you fucking giving me money, please. No. Oh no. How do I... Recall sentries. How do I call supplies?
I don't know. It's been
Chat.
so long.
Keep fighting, team. You're almost through the wave.
-5. Thank you.
Roger that. Supplies are coming.
Ah! There's some supplies where I am right now.
Oh, nice. I don't know where that is. But,
Where I am. Take that as you will.
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw you drop.
Ready to kill some more crates.
100% been only playing Driller and got 2 prestige shots so far. He's my favorite. Oh, we need to like fucking. I need to prestige at some point. I love the engineer. Engineer's great.
I really like the scout. The zip line and the flag. I'm fun to play around with.
Yeah. It's great because like you find your like favorite like dwarf. And then you stick to that dwarf. Hello? Hello? Okay, I guess I need to fucking make a platform, I guess. Is that gonna work? It is! Maybe, never mind.
It burns. It burns.
I thought this was supposed to like crack the rock open. That's...
Yeah, I'm doing my best.
Oh, I thought that already happened.
The fuck is that noise?
I thought the wave was happening because we'd already started cracking the rock.
No, I was trying to do that. Okay.
I smell bacon. Like that.
There we go.
Hammer connected.
All rock crackers attached. You can start
Okay.
them up when ready.
Lovely. Bog. And then the other one is over there. Get that done.
Rock cracker pod is running. All green.
Trackers online. Load up. We're bound to have incoming.
Okay, one of them is here, the other one is up there. I need to remember that.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. I'll look a little since I'm doing an Aquark mission correctly. Oh. Go for it. Have fun. I'm confusing cards, free will, and a debit card. Okay. Listen, debit cards, a little bit fine, because that means you know what you're doing. Credit cards, scary, because that means you could go into debt by trying to give me money.
We're detecting a jam. Restart.
It's a little bit scary.
Been down there all day. 50% team.
Is the other one broke as well? It is. Okay, let me just make this go up this staircase that I'm made. Engineer Scout. Well, you're talking TF2. Oh, TF2 is another great game.
Oh, it's classic.
A very classic game. Okay, I'm gonna distract him with my floss. Oh no, he's doing the jiggy.
Oh, jig.
Just a moment longer. 75%.
Mystic Vampire, welcome to the Slash Good Enough, which is Slab Over Joe Stay. Thank you
Oh,
for
welcome.
welcome.
This rock cracker pod. So you like her?
Spicy ground, very spicy ground, very, very scary ground.
Here we go.
There we go.
Rockpox meteor has been cracked.
Yay, we did it.
The samples you find inside. Excellent work. Now the
I'll make a platform.
meteor, and you can get back to your mission.
That works. What did I bounce off of though?
Quarantine me in the abyss bar.
I'll call Molly here.
Ass over here and hurry.
Molly, please, come here.
We have some wiggly things for you.
Yummy, yummy. As if they don't already have many wiggly things inside.
What's this making it hard to move? Help!
Oh. Whip.
I'll get the other one.
Ah, gobble.
God, we have so many fucking plague hearts right now.
R&D should have a ball dissecting those.
Reloading!
Okay. I'm going to like, I'm really tired and have a lot of editing to do, but take care of yourself. Take care of yourself, Vesper.
Bye, Vess.
Bye bye. To go. My head dried with a soup and now I look like baby Justin Bieber. That is a song that he has released, yes, you're not wrong. In the Base Olaf channel, we make jokes. Not good ones.
Some of them are funny.
Yeah.
Not that one, but you know.
Not that one, but some of them.
Players, not ready yet. I made a platform. Platform!
Pog. I forgot that I have a little speed boost.
Yeah, nice.
Alright, we need to still trying to find more kite.
Right? What? Like half as much as we need.
I need over 100. God damn. Is that Morkai over there or am I blind? Probably I'm blind.
It's like
No,
another
that's just-
cavern to get to that we've not seen yet.
I'm looking. There's something that looks like more stuff underneath where we mined where the thingy was. Let's see. It's crazy. The first session we do and we got like fucking we got like this the season 5 thing, whatever the fuck that was. We got 2 meteorites.
And this just mammoth cavern system that we are lost to.
Yeah, I am
No flares ready.
okay. If you go down where the meteor was,
Huh?
there should be like a little cave entrance. I'm gonna be outside waiting for you. I see your flashlight.
Oh, yeah, that's Molly. See Molly?
Team Rock seriously need to invest in some
Follow Molly, I guess.
Good idea. Ah, hello.
There we go. Hello. Wait, do I have anything to give Molly? No, I already gave stuff to Molly. Molly!
Maybe this just links back into the cave we were in.
We'll find out.
According to the map, it does.
Oh, it does. Well, we haven't been here, through here at least, so...
There's a fight for your life. A big
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, okay. Well, at least we have a defensible position. In the
Yeah.
tunnel.
Entry on.
I get my sentries on. Hello, engineer. Good class. I do need to play the other ones. I need to like play the driller.
The driller's fun.
Driller's fun because he's got the...
It's got the drills.
Yeah. It's in the name. It's like that. It's like that one fucking meme. The Fantastic 4 meme.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you saw. Where it's the.
I've seen that movie.
Oh,
Unfortunately.
well, there's a meme where it's fucking what's his face. The guy who plays Mr. Fantastic looks at the thing,
Right.
and it's like, say that again, like to
Oh
as.
yeah, I know that scene.
Yeah. So that, like, for the name. It's a very odd way of explaining. I'm not bad at I'm not good at explaining things. I do apologize.
It's okay. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Good. Alright, gotta order head out.
Farewell, Clockwork Vixen. Goodbye. Thanks for dropping by.
Take care, Vixen. I probably return. Okay, well, we're gonna be streaming for a little while. At least until Stoops needs to
I've got to get
go.
into a cupboard this evening and record my song for the music video that we're shooting in 4 days' time.
Is
I love
it?
cutting it close.
Yep. Yup. I
My
know
Halloween
you do.
project, my big spooky Halloween project. I just don't think people are going to be ready.
Oh, yeah.
How scary it is.
Oh,
Olaf
so
is in the
spooky.
know. Olaf
I-
knows just how scary this thing is.
It is very, very scary.
Yeah.
You guys need to be prepared for it. There's gonna be a lot of edits for it. Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we're here. Great. Fantastic. Lovely. Speaking of projects, you need to let me know if there's anything you need help with. Not for this one, because you already got everything very much on the hand. But like any of the other projects, let me know.
Well, one of the big projects that we have talked about before that you wanted a part in is
Yes.
finally starting production. We're building the first set for that
Okay.
starting next week, I think. So,
Oh, Pog.
yeah. But that one's such a big project, we're doing it over this year and next year. Like, we're doing the first set
Yeah.
before Christmas, and then we are taking that down and doing the second two sets a little later into next year.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Long time.
It's a big...
It's a big one. Scary
The
song.
song's been sitting complete on my computer for 4 years, so I really
Yeah.
should do a video for it.
Yeah, I remember. Since we wait, we've been this. Wait, this is the way back to the ship.
Hmm.
Wait, is it? They're all waste. Like, what? I did not. I just did the fucking minion. What? Yeah, we've wasted like the. Oh my god, flares here. Scary sound was already. Well, I'm more officially excited. I'm shaking, my boots already quaking. Even my timbers are shivered.
Well, it's not a pirate video. So, you know.
Unless you are a pirate yourself, then.
In which case, by all means, shiver your timbers at your leisure.
The fuck?
Generally, it's always down. Like, somewhere around the bottom of this place, it's going to be some sort of cave entrance or something that we've missed.
I'm trying to look. Let's see. I'll look around. Had to prep dinner. Thanks for not dying. You're welcome. I didn't die. Are you proud of me? I am Yar. Will the song be S tier? Oh. It'll be SS tier.
Scary.
No, it's SS because it's super scary.
Well, that won't be anything to do with the SS.
Yeah, no, not about that, but like in sorry, triple S. So it's not.
It's going to be S tier because it's good. The S is for scary, and the tears as how much you'd be crying because how scary it is.
There you go.
Oh, here's an element we don't need to collect, but at least it's something.
We've been here. What the fuck? Misha, welcome to Babushka's house. I'm a child subscriber. Thank you very much for the resub. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Don't go getting cancelled. I'll try my best. Yeah, maybe avoid that phrasing. I'll try my... Yeah, because usually, like, here's the thing with, like, ranking. People usually go, like, what was it? D, C, B, A, S. And then, like, I know for, like, gacha games, they also go, like, the double S and then SSS. So that's what I went through, not the super racist part. I do not support that shit. Just skip the double. Noted. Super scary. Super... SDS. Super duper scary. There you go.
Okay, yeah, now we're talking.
Now we're talking.
I'm kind of at a loss here.
I am too, I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking at the map and I'm kind of like... confuzzled. There should be an entrance. Ew, pardon me.
I don't think it would take to mine out the whole level. Like, just if you maybe had a full team of 4 people.
Oh yeah,
Just,
that'll be good.
there's got to be a limit on the procedural zone of the level. Just destroy all rock that's destroyable on the level.
Destroy everything. Oh god. Scroll to zoom out the map. Oh, I forgot you can do. Oh, I found. I found it.
Did you?
Yeah, hold on. I saw on the map. So it is near where the meteorite fell. Hold on. Can I go down here?
Hey.
Oh. Okay. Let's not go down this way. Let's see, can we... Oh, I forgot! Wait. I'm lost now. Where is it? Am I facing the right way?
I blinked and you vanished. I don't know where you went.
I went down. I don't know if you can see my thingy.
Sit down. Yeah, hello.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Right, so,
Yeah, if we go here now. There we go.
okay. It was slightly obscured by the meteorite.
Yeah. A tiny bit. SDS works. It's nice to type. Yeah, it's like the letters are next to the keyboard. It's very cool. Thank you very much, Horus. Listen, we haven't played this game in so long.
We'll be masters again. So we were absolute pros, clearly.
Yeah.
So
Obviously.
we'll go back to that. Oh, well, there's a lot of nitro.
Колбас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый.
Arundel, welcome to the Slash Squad now for sheer Slava. Hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for follow. Appreciate it. Okay, well... A swarm coming?
Swarm's coming, Annie. Get home quick.
Have I missed anything excited? No. Get lost in almost every game in this game. Yeah, the caves are big and extensive. I do like the procedural kind of like generation for some of the caves. Makes it feel like nice and original. I just did a little off across there. I've sent it in out if you want to see. I'll check it out. after this. If that's okay. In No Man's Sky, I found the spot where I found if I mined under a building, it was an instant void and full long distance to my death over and over. Oh god. That seems very annoying. I don't need to do anything. I've got a fucking... I've got turrets that do shit for me. Hamza and I have been rewatching Red Dwarf, just finished season 4. Ooh. Isn't Red Dwarf meant to be, like, good? Or
Love
funny?
Red Dwarf. Red Dwarf's a classic. Red Dwarf Season 8 is universally regarded as like the weakest of the seasons. At least of the original 8 season run.
There's 8 seasons?
Now. There was 8 seasons before it got cancelled, and then Dave, the channel, revived it, and it's now had like a good 4 or 5 seasons on Dave as well. It was like the revived Red Dwarf. It's very good.
I think we talked about it. Maybe I could be wrong. We do like talking about, like, the British media.
That's a lot of nitro.
There's also a lot
That's
of eggs.
other things.
Yeah.
Delicious. Let's
Wait,
crack
hold
some
on.
eggs.
Go to the guy that's not flossing. He's doing the fucking... He's doing the Russian dance. Oh, can you do the big flare over here?
I can do another one, yes. There's,
Oh, did you already do one? Okay.
There's one up there, but I can do one over there as well.
Some nitro over here. They'll take. Vernon tried to attack Cosmo. No! Cosmo's not to be attacked. Oh, nitro full. Alright, let's call a resupply anyway.
Fair.
Since there's like so much nitro here, we might as well
Oh.
call a resupply here.
Stock up.
There we go. Stock up on your supplies.
Delicious.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, and here's the next bit.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Let's see if there's anything else that we need here. I've already mined the nitro that was here. Doesn't look like there's any more. Oh no, there's nitro
There's
over
more
there.
nitro up there. Yeah.
Doesn't look like there's anything else. My cat has taken up the whole part of my bed. I lay on his being a butthead and he won't get up. No! Love it when cats just take 90% of the bed, even though they're like 10% the size of the bed. Simply, Bosco is incredibly helpful coming from a Jola main. He can fly grabbing things so much easier. Oh, Bosco? What's Bosco? Red Dwarf is one of the best comedy series that came out of BBC. Fighting Talk, maybe for some people though.
It's definitely up there.
I wouldn't know. Well, we need to go down a little bit. There we go. Explodey. Oh, this. God, I love the chain reaction of that.
It is very satisfying.
I've only seen a few clips of Red Dwarf. I've been meaning to watch it eventually. Should do it. I need to start watching shows in general. Myself. Oh, that's a big cave system. Another one.
Oh god, this level is so big.
Yeah.
What is the deal?
Oh, there's also explodey stuff. Hello? Can I
wow,
climb?
okay.
Can I fuck? Yeah, can you shoot
Reaction
it?
time. Well, that was satisfying.
I wish I could see if I could fucking climb.
Кабас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс
Violet,
голый.
welcome to the Slav Squad. Now for your Slav. I hope you enjoy. Stay thinking, full. Appreciate it.
That was a vein of more here, but it's quite high up, so it might be a platform.
I think we have enough Hollow Might now.
We don't quite.
Well, yeah, but I mined some right now, so I think we
Oh,
might
I
have
see.
enough. Hello, Molly. Come here.
Well done. Secondary
Yeah.
completed.
Let's go. Big poisonous shrooms. Nice jump kill on that swarmer. Wait, did I jump kill him? You can jump kill?
Yeah,
I didn't
so-
even notice. I'm to update my profile. I am Bread. You are Bread. You have been subbed. You are a sub to this channel. Fun fact. If you are loot bug, that's not what you are.
Sorry, little bug. Your own fault for being full of goodies.
Is there anything around here? Some big blue stone. Jesus fucking Christ, this... Hello? I found more Morkai, okay.
I've got some here, but I can't really mine.
Oh! We're good.
One platform.
Okay, I'm
Ready
just
to
going to
use.
manage to cheese my way into the wall. Okay.
Bad news, team. A swarm of glitches.
Oh my fucking god, can you stop?
Prepare yourself.
One sentry gun ready to be built. Ready to shoot.
Alright. Let's see. Whilst we're doing this, I just realised I hope Sibs can forgive me for putting Schwabbery on the waifu wall. What did Schwabbery do to you? Just like he's telling me to get out of bed and rejoin society because it's 4 p.m. Nah, it's 4 p.m. It's fine. It might be 4 p.m., but it's 12 p.m. somewhere in the world, or a.m. Sorry. Kill the someone that's jumping. Oh, I'm so good at video games.
You really are.
I like the floaty tails of the things sticking out the molly hatches. Oh yeah, those are the little wormy things. Are they all coming after you?
A load of them did, yeah, but I took care of them.
Okay, well, I have none. coming after me.
I have 3 chasing me currently.
Okay, well, you have fun with that. I'm gonna keep on, yeah. Gotta keep on mining.
Wave is almost over.
Depositing.
This is, in my opinion, the better mining game compared to Minecraft. I hear you. Oh, there you are.
Hello. I'm all out of ammo. That's in my second.
Oh, come here. Wait, hold on. Oh, come up. Oh, that's a big boy. Do you want to call a resupply?
Yes.
Supply pod requisitioned.
We are so close on getting all of the Morkite now. Holy shit.
There's a vein of cropper there, which we don't currently need, but it's a thing we can get.
Yeah.
Some of the ammo. Getting more ammo.
Okay, let's see. I'm guessing you went this way. Or is this the way that we came from?
That is a good question.
I love video games, and when I get confused as to where did we come from? We did
Where
come
did we
from
go?
here. Where did we come from? Cutting Edge. Where's this? Oh, this is a new place. No, it's not. Is it? No, it is. Yes, it is. Okay.
Let's see what my back way or miles away. A blink should you suddenly you're miles away.
Sorry, I went off adventure.
That's fine. I'll just be on my own.
To be honest, I don't know where I am. What the fuck? I'm okay. I'm below you.
So you're beneath me.
Yeah.
I need a damn minecart on there.
So you
Where
are.
is it?
Well, I guess I'll just do what you're not supposed to do in Minecraft.
Mine down. Huh. Magnus, welcome back to Babushka's house. Just still much else subscribe to. I hope you enjoy. Stay. Thank you much for the resub. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. Well, waifu slash bundle. Hope you like it. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Sorry for making you jump. It's okay. I've been jump scared. Listen, it's the spooky season.
Right?
It's the jump scare season. I need to be on my toes for everything. Sexy shrimp. I love sexy. I don't love sexy shrimp. It's the bane of my existence. You are a loot bug. You are a loot bug. Which reminds me of a hard Morkite mission I had in Dense Biozone. Tough when Morkite is the same color and as the environment. Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Oh, damn.
Stoops is mad at me for also modding for Shrobbity, and this is what Shrobbity did. Oh. I would be mad as well if you modded for
Look, you
Shrobbity.
betrayed me. I'm sorry. You cheated on me with Shrobbity. Modding for shrubs whilst you're modding for me.
That's what makes my head. Arrows. Giving a sub to Phoenix. Phoenix, welcome to Babushka's house. You know how much else subscribe to the opportunity to stay. Thank you for the gifted sub. Arrows, appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. Can you relax with the gifted subs, guys, please? Thank you. What life social bundle would you like? I say relax. Give me more money. Is it possible to say where did we come from without that being the automatic response? No, because there's nothing else you can like really do with it. Got mad at me
Not
for
really,
kicking me out.
no.
No. He got mad at me for kicking him out. No! You should be mad at the cat.
I don't know if up here goes anywhere.
This is the same place we were at.
Oh, well, there's a big guy.
There is a big
Oh, yeah,
guy.
this is where we came in.
Yep. I've got to go now. Look forward to returning. Well, looking forward to have you back. Always happy to see people here. Especially if you're coming here from like Stoops' Discord and stuff. Always happy to be for people to be here. I stream every day. Just got an achievement.
Gosh, you just can't get rid of the guy every day.
I just got an achievement for surviving for an hour.
Oh, nice.
Or like, not surviving for an hour, but like playing a level for an hour. We've played this for an hour.
Well, it just doesn't end.
How's your Rock and Stone doing? Oh, good. This is the first mission that we've done. And
I'm sure there are some experienced Deep Rock Galactic players who are watching right now. They're tearing their hair out.
Oh yeah, probably.
It's
Highly likely.
pointless.
Lighting? What about lighting? Oh, I found the other cave system. Hold on. We need to go up. Yep.
Up, but that's the opposite direction.
We need to get Benedict on this again.
That was fun.
There we go. An hour, yes. But yes, take care, Alice. Thank you very much for stopping by. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you whenever I see you next. Oh. Okay. Well, you had enough more kite?
I did just get some semi recently. Apparently that was enough to top us over the top.
Oh my god.
Okay, we
well,
can continue exploring the cave system if you found more cave. There might be cool stuff in it. Or we can just say, we're done with this one.
we're done with this one. It's been an hour in this one.
But what if there's an achievement for playing for 2 hours?
and we're not going to spend 2 hours in this cave. We've already reached the objective.
Okay.
We've got so much stuff as well. You ready?
Sure.
Yes, I am. The hair tearing is real. No! If you ping the Russian, it's funny. How the fuck do you ping in this game again? Use control to ping. Ah. Alright, let's go, Molly. I can't Spider-Man up. It's not fair.
Platforms.
I'm waiting impatiently for the Pip-Boy I ordered off Etsy for my Halloween costume. It's in transit and... Oh, fun.
Nice. What's your costume? I mean, obviously it's Fallout, but anything specific? Vault Dweller?
Which Vault Dweller? We've got a few days yet until Halloween Sleepy, so I think you're good. Okay. I don't know when we'll play this next, to be honest. I say this as like we're finishing it now. We're not finishing it yet. Yeah. Stoops already has the 2-hour achievement, you fool. You silly. Stoops doesn't play games. They don't have the time to do so.
Right. That being said, I've been trying to make sure trying to enforce myself some vague sense of self-care lately, and
Oh, that's good.
playing video games a few times a week on the PlayStation. I've been playing Astrobot with Liz.
Oh yeah, that came out. I want to fucking play it so much.
It's really good. It's really, really good. And I've
It's
been playing the Dead Rising remaster as well.
Oh. Stoops, stop saying these games in front of me. I wish I fucking. I wanna play them. I really want to play Astrobot, and I want to play Dead Rising remastered. And there's
Just come on
also
over and play them. Just come on over to this country and play them.
honestly, it would be cheaper for me to actually fly there to play than to
It
just
would be
get
to buy the games.
to buy the games.
That's insane. It's insane that an international flight is less than the cost of 2 PlayStation games.
It's not even 2 PlayStation. I mean,
I was gonna say, I forget that DRDR is on PC.
yeah, it's depending on like, I think it would be like maybe 30 quid, depending on the day. The thing is, I also want to fucking play Silent Hill 2 remaster, because that's out. And because I want to play it for like Halloween or like for this month. So I'm just always crying. Vault Dweller, Vault 33, because it was like it came with the leather add-ons. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Fair enough. Come get some beer. Come get some brew.
Yes.
A round of oaths for me and my friends here.
Oh, creepy thing in it. What are you? I think that's something to do with the Halloween stuff.
Probably. One of my pals from uni was one of the triplets, and they went as Gary from Fallout. That's amazing. Did they all go as Gary?
Yeah, that's the stuff.
Yike. You'd think there would have been mushroom in those caves. See some jokers here.
People with their jokes, doing their funnies. What's that all about?
Don't know. I've never experienced funny stuff. Escort, industrial sabotage, elimination. Oh, which one's the on-site refining? I like the on-site refining part.
Oh yeah, that one's quite fun. I'm just reminding myself how all the different unlock trees work.
Oh yeah.
Mission selected. Powering up the drop pod. Get on board, team.
Equipment. Do I have? Oh, I have a skin. Oh.
Oh yeah, weapon customization.
I keep on forgetting that there's also DLC for this fucking game as well.
Yeah.
I say DLC, it's all mostly cosmetic and stuff, but
I think when I bought the game, there was a sale on, and I got like a whole. I got all the at the time as available cosmetic packs.
Just some more
I think
fun. This is gonna rock.
they indeed did all go as Gary. The lab's perfect. You're welcome. It's because they're a fun guy. Guys, stop being so funny. Just found my costume for my first Halloween party ever. The thing is, I don't have a party. That's fine. Just go on your own party. Fuck it. What's stopping you? Use the assignment board. Oh, we have assignments here. I forgot about that.
Oh yeah, there's so many things.
There's so many fucking things. Why is this game so extensive? Please. Stop. I'm going to Shaggy Rogers for Halloween just for fun, but then my friend reminded me that he's tall, skinny, white dude, and I'm not that tall, nor skinny, or a dude. I mean, that shouldn't stop you. It's like cosplayers. You don't need to, you know... Just because you don't fit the type doesn't mean you can't cosplay it. What the fuck did you do? Stupendium, the Stupendium.
Hello.
Imagine I'm consensually giving you a smooch. Thank you very much for this. I appreciate it. You didn't need to.
I know I didn't need to, but I want to watch you play it, so you got to stream it now.
Alright, well, thank you very much for doing Deep Rock Galactic. It's time to do that.
I mean, if you want to jump straight into Dead Rising, you would need to install it.
Yeah, I would need to install. To be honest, with my internet, fuck knows how long it will take. I'm probably gonna play it soon. I need to finish one game first, which is gonna probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, finishing it this week. But yeah, we're definitely doing Dead Rising. Love Dead Rising. Never played one, actually, oddly enough, so...
I never played Dead Rising 1, or you never played one Dead Rising game?
Well, I never played Dead Rising 1. I've played a Dead Rising game, because we played 2.
Okay. Of course, we played 2 together. We forgot to play 2 together.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, I'd never played Dead Rising 1 before I got the remaster. I'd spent a lot of time around a friend's house once they played it when it first came out in 2006.
Little fun fact, actually. I actually owned Dead Rising 1 on Xbox 360 because I had it, but I was too scared to play it, so I never played it. I think streaming gives me a fucking boost of confidence. I don't know why.
It's not really a scary game, Dead Rising.
It's not scary. Yeah, but listen. I get scared a lot by a lot of things. I get scared by fucking notification sounds. Someone fucking gifts me a subs, or any fucking notification that happens on stream. I get fucking jump scared. For no reason. Hello, phone. You see my crosshair? Yes, has been has been waifu'd. Is this a hint to work on that project? No. Take your time. I don't want you to fucking... Take your time. Do it at your own pace. Please. I'm not forcing you to do it. How you doing, Phone? Hope you're doing well. Can help with picking missions. I think we're good with this. Because I'm... Maybe later. For now, I want to get back into the swing of things. I'm going as a plague doctor. My coworker told me it's not appropriate. What do you mean?
Wow.
Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor just in full stop? Is that why it's not appropriate? I'm gonna be in my living room in the dark dressed as Byron because I will be home alone because I'm not giving candy fair. Byron though. Let's go. Exterminate festive. Good. Requesting pump jack.
Pump jack inbound.
Oh. Barley bowl. Some gold.
Oh.
We need a pump jack here.
Pump jack launched.
Going to them now. Hope you like the chibi art I did. Oh, I'll check. Fuck, I forgot to check it out. I do apologize. The fuck was that?
Let's get the pump jack connected.
What the fuck? Bitch.
Weird. Disgusting.
Bitch.
Molly, I miss you, girl.
Bitch.
Oh yeah, there is no molly on. Gotta wait for the.
No.
Where do we deposit stuff? I had a big glowy green
Well-
rock.
There should be. Oh god. Give me a second. I don't think we are depositing anything. We are just.
You can,
Oh no.
I think at some point
It's.
the refinery has like a
Yeah.
like to put the.
That should be on the side.
You're a stain.
Ah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I've not seen one of those before. That's kind of spooky. Ah,
I'm so far away. I shouldn't be shotgunning. Ow. Fuck off.
times. What are you? Why are you attacking me? I don't like doing that.
There it is. The fuck is this?
There's so much going on right now.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Okay, so there it is. Deposit.
I'm wondering if fighting
I'll check.
moving dirt is
Okay, let me check the. Oi. Wait. Wait. Chibi. Yeah. I'll show it on stream. That looks very cute. If it fucking allows me. It's me and Stoops from. It's me and Cosmo from. I mean, it's Crosshair and Cosmo from. Cosmo from Pizza the Action.
Yeah.
I can recognize that one. Who's this nerd? Imagine. It's very cool. I love it. And listen, I love any art of Cosmo and Crosshair.
Yay. Oh, that's adorable.
Listen, any art is welcome.
access provided.
Fucking get up, get up! Oh my god, hello. There we go. Lunch jumped twice today. Yeah, I did get jump scared a lot. I do get jump scared a lot. So my biology teacher, I have a working 360 and a Kinect, and he got mildly jealous. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Listen,
Magic.
owning a 360 in this economy is crazy.
I think I still have a 360 somewhere.
To be honest, owning a 360 is good right now because, like, because you can't buy 360 games
Right.
Anymore because of the stores closed. So now it's like you actually have to buy physical copies of games, and
Right.
not a lot of. Oh, hello. And not a lot of. What's it called? not a lot of games are like compatible with the Series X and stuff.
Right.
So if you like miss a specific game, the only way to play it is by having an old Xbox 360.
Right.
Just sad. I wish I had a fucking longer ranged weapon to shoot these fleas.
Almost there. I've been picking them off for this year.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the pipelines done.
Get the more kind going.
Humpjack requested and is inbound.
Okay. Let's see. No, I work retail. My co-worker just thinks a plague doctor isn't appropriate because of COVID.
Get it hooked up
That's
to the
stupid.
refinery.
Yeah. That's. I think it's perfectly fine. But,
Is it... I'm gonna just wake up from a nap. It's been raining all day, so the nap is inevitable, honestly. Rainy days, the best. Fuck off. Okay, so I need to go from the thingy. There we go. We did it.
oh, nice bonus. Oh. Oh, and there's another Jadis down here.
A what?
The big glowy green rocks. I think they're called Jadises.
Jadiz's nuts?
Whoa!
Whoa!
I'll double check when I deposit it. When I
Mm.
deposit Jadis.
Jadiz nuts.
Yeah,
There we-
Jadiz. Jadis.
Jeddas. Interesting.
White Plains could use a hand building it. Let's get the minerals.
How's it off and how's special guest Stoops? I'm doing good.
I'm very well, thank you. Playing some video games, which is nice. I don't get to do that very often.
Yeah.
One down, more to go.
Okay.
Platform up.
I really shouldn't be playing video games. The amount of work I have to do, but here we are.
It's fine.
It's fine. I've just got to get in my recording cupboard whenever we're done and start recording a song.
I plunk down.
Okay, that's done. Part 1 is built. I forgot. Ah, that's why I love this fucking mission. It's because I can grind on the fucking rails.
The rails are fun.
It's so good. I have to say, Cosmo has one of the... has to be one of the coolest birds, creatures, beings I've seen in recent years, followed closely by various small birds.
Thank you. I mean, credit to Joe for
This is
designing them.
greasy work.
But, thank you very much.
Liz, is that you on another account? Hello, Mr. Glitchy. Hope you're doing well.
Like that.
Any news on Onions for Sunday album tour 2025?
Ah,
I think
we're
we
in
just-
talks with the promoters.
slowly but surely getting there.
The gears are turning.
I have the chunky PS2 and also have a PlayStation 3 that still works. I bought them off of my friend with all her games earlier this year. My old Kingdom Hearts saves from 14 years ago are still on the system. Oh, okay, well. I guess we have to fight off the swarm. I'm jealous of the PlayStation 3. Mostly because I want a PlayStation 3 so I can play fucking Infamous on it. Because I'm not spending however much monthly to fucking play it on the
Used to love
cloud.
those sort of games, but I never played the Infamous ones.
Yeah. That crate is big loot. The crate? Oh, the one that I walked past. I should have fucking. I knew it. Gotta go good therapy. Yeah, that was a crate. I need to like look around again, but it's somewhere like on this level, pretty much. Oh.
Floor is up. Pesticide coming up.
I have 3 PlayStation 3s and they still work.
That's one PlayStation 9.
PlayStation will be contacting you soon.
I never had a PS3. I had a PS2 and a PS4. But I never had a PS3.
I've had a PlayStation 1, got a PlayStation 2 very briefly. Never had a
Yeah, I had a
PlayStation
PS1
3.
as well. I had a PS1 but really late. I got my PS1 after the PS2 came out. And then I got a PS2 years later after that. So
I mean, my first my PlayStation 1 was when the PlayStation 3 was out.
right.
Lighting up.
And then yeah. Now I got most of the consoles, all of the consoles actually. And then when PlayStation 5 comes on, I'm not buying that because fuck spending 700 quid.
Pretty much. There's the Pro one dropping soon, isn't there?
Yeah, the Pro one. Yeah, I'm talking about the Pro one. I'm not.
Oh, you
fucking-
don't know the Pro one, sorry.
Yeah, 700 quid.
Have you seen the PS1 like themed PS5 Pro? It's quite
I have, yes.
Getting on my nerves.
I don't. It looks very nice. I think like the only thing I would want to get from that is the controller,
the controller is cool.
but
I
mostly
wanted, like, a
because
matching pair of the white ones, and my living room is all white, so like
yeah.
matches.
Where is the fucking chest that I saw? I think it's on the other side.
One platform ready to use.
Yeah, it's over here. How do I open it? Yeah, there's a chest here. I don't know how to open it.
So look, watching your stream right now and hopes of seeing the chest until I remember how to open it. I don't know what the delay's like then. I haven't got the light. Not familiar with that. I don't know. Anyone in the chat know how to open that funky looking chest?
Probably Oros does, but they went to make food.
Ah, how selfish of them.
I know. Can't believe this. What did I miss? I had a 360 for years, same with the Kinect. And yeah, I did have to buy a new game recently of Amazon, yeah. It sucks that the Xbox, like, the Xbox 360 store had to, like, shut down. Because they're not longer doing, like, services anymore.
Yeah.
And I wish every game was, like, backwards compatible with the Xbox. Because, goddamn. There's some, like, Xbox 360 games I want to play, especially, like, from my childhood. But they're not backwards compatible and pisses me off.
I wonder if it looks like this has like a pipe input and a pipe output. Maybe you have to pipe. It's like if you pipe the stuff through it, it opens up.
That's what I'm.
But maybe not. I don't know. The inputs and outputs look a lot smaller than the thickness of the
Yeah.
pipe.
It is really weird. I don't know. I should draw Crossmo, but since it's Halloween season, it might come out as Cronenberg instead of cute. That's fine. I think it's better that way.
I'm glad that in your mind Crossmo is a like a merging of the two characters and not the ship name.
Crossmo. Listen, that's the best way. Oh, I wonder what the amalgamation would be, like how that would work. Give
What?
Crosshair like feathers and stuff.
Pump jack connected and ready to pump. You're doing well.
Okay, the other one is over there, so again, this was one of the first, one of the games I got from her actually. Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, I also see no way to open this chest. I can tab out and try and Google it if you want.
Probably best case scenario since Oros is like away. Unless someone else messaged. No. I would give you £5 whole to get me a PlayStation 3 and Infamous on it. Infamous 1 and 2 specifically. It's a pretty good deal, to be honest.
Cargo crates.
This should work.
Okay.
Pipe framework set.
Ah, okay. So when these crates spawn, also 2 batteries spawn within 30 meters of said crate. And then if we walk to it and plugged into it. There was a weird pulsing canister near the... There's one. And here's the other. Cool.
Oh, there you go. Wait, did you pick them up already?
I've picked up one, the other one's down by the depository.
By the depository.
Oh, I just dropped one down there by mistake, but...
I see it. Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Ramming speed.
Oh, okay. There you go. Got it. Got it.
I've got to get up there without my zip line.
Can I drop this? I can. Okay. There we go. Gotta say, carrots for Thursday is gonna knock you off all the top spot. No, I can't believe
That's
it.
for Thursday, just a bad Onion for Sunday tribute band.
Oh, now you have to repair it. Very much doing well, no worries. I'm no alternate account. I am almost completely original save for my design. Oh. Whoa! It's a lot of goodies.
There's
Here we
the
go.
gold and also a cosmetic. Flame loot. New victory move recovered. Praise.
Praise me.
Wow. Okay, cool.
Got
What's
some
that done? Mystery solved.
jaddies.
Oh, some Jadis.
Jaddies nuts.
Jadis nuts.
Cat got him. Okay, I'm gonna complete building this. A name, same for my design and name, which came with a long before playing TING WD. What TING? What is that? His main villain uses the exact name as me, which was really weird on my first playthrough. Mr. Glitchy. Interesting. I don't think I've ever heard of it. I will say one fucking console that I would love is the PS Vita. them together. You have a PlayStation 6 and then smash them in half. You have a PlayStation 3 easy. You're not wrong. I had a PlayStation 3 for a bit, and my PlayStation 4 is still kicking. It's just the fans scream like bloody murder every time I play Red Dead. Oh yeah, those once you like play like the most extensive games, it's like a fucking it's like a fucking what's it called, airplane. I've got the Astrobot controller, and I'm kind of jealous. There's an Astrobot controller?
Yeah, it's like themed to look like Astrobot. It's very cute.
Oh my god. Didn't know the 30th anniversary PS5 existed. Now I want one. Don't spend the money. Don't do it. You get so much more from that. Bedtime. Good night, Misha. Thank you very much for stopping by.
Oh, well.
Good night. I'm salty about Little Big Planet 3 being removed from the store, and I was like, be salty about it. Oh yeah, 100%. Bro, Little Big Planet. The fact that Little Big Planet has been fucking removed from the stores and it's like becoming like offline. It's sad.
Right, restarting the refinery?
Yes. Let's wait until this horde finishes.
We want to resupply before we start it.
Yes. More importantly, that's...
Right now. There is a load of nitro here.
I made you a platform, so you can...
I started mining for it back then.
Really weird to discover my first playthrough because I never watched anybody play it and I came up with the name more or less. TINGN is the sadly failed Kickstart sequel to the absolute masterpiece that was There Is No Game. The sequel is called There Is No Game Wrong The Dimension, which was just as great as the first game. Oh, I don't think I've ever heard of that. I think I've heard of like I've heard of There Is No Game, but I don't think I've heard like that there was a sequel.
Oh, thank you.
They'll give you my PlayStation 3 if Valve would release Portal on the 4 and 5. Yeah, they don't give a shit about that. To be honest, Portal was released on the Switch, oddly enough. They released it on that.
It is. It was kind of recent as well, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think I love the PS Vita. I will need to ask my dad. Pog. I love the PS Vita. It's such a fucking good console. I say good console. I just wish that PlayStation did something portable again and not the PlayStation Portal, which you cannot really take anywhere. You can only play at home. And it's also shit.
I get home at home, I'm just going to sit with the TV.
Yeah, let me play my video game on this little screen that I can also see on the big screen. It's like the Wii U.
I'm taking some of the ammo.
Like, what's the point? you reinvented the Wii U. Anyway, let's start the fucking mining process. You ready?
Yeah.
Remember what you have to do?
No.
You have to like go
Just keep
repair.
repairing stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you throw one of your big flares?
Yes, I can.
Noise will draw in the locals, so stay on your toes and do what you can to protect and maintain the equipment. Swarm, we got another swarm.
I'm gonna grind. Yeah, I love this like mission for the pure reason that you get to grind on the fucking rails. I love this shit. It's the best way of transport, and you've. And it's mostly just you're extracting shit, not like exploring the caves. So good. But I just bought Portal 1 and 2 for $1 each because some sale. Bought one for myself and 1 and 2 for a friend because I already have Portal 2. But that's the lovely thing about like Portal games. You literally they go so frequently on sale to the point where they cost literal pennies. It's crazy. Some PS Vitas on my Facebook Marketplace. Do you want one? Don't spend money on a PS Vita for me, please, no. Is it this one? That's smoking? No, it's not this one. Wait, is it this one? Oh, you're repairing it, okay.
Yeah, I was repairing. I'm useful sometimes.
You're useful all the time, Hush.
Oh.
We got bugs. Me when I'm a video game maker and the game is buggy.
We need these
Bug.
space race.
Bug.
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 Let's just lead back to the space.
Pump sequence at 75%. The cargo rocket is almost full. We got a leak. Locate it and fix it.
No, I forgot to turn on crosshair. I'm sorry.
We still have malfunctions in the system.
Fuck off.
Reloading.
I keep on forgetting to turn on crosshair. It pisses me off.
But you need to clear all malfunctions in order for the refinery to run.
So much better than walking.
Piss off. Oh, thank you for the hydration. I'll hydrate in a hot second.
You fixed the problem. Everything's running smoothly again.
Hydrating right now.
Ready.
Good water.
Reloading.
Is there going to be another malfunction? No, we did it. Wow.
Hey.
Let's go. Shoot him in the ass.
Reloading.
Alright, there we go.
Right. Well, the leave button is in a toxic cloud right now.
How could you forget your crosshair? I do. Alright. Pog. Was that a fucking... Wait. Did you hear that? Was that the fucking... Was that the SpongeBob foghorn?
I mean, it was a foghorn. It was the SpongeBob foghorn.
It played the same two notes as the SpongeBob foghorn, the...
I mean, that's just the standard notes of a foghorn, I think. But I also don't watch SpongeBob, so I wouldn't know.
That's fair.
Okay, where do we go?
The drop pod is coming to where we began.
Drop pod departing
Look at all this gold we haven't mined yet.
It's fine. Can I get out? Thank you.
Hurry up! I'm not getting any younger. On a roll.
Hurry up, I'm not getting any younger.
We out of there.
Up we go. Ooh. Let's see, one last mission, or
I could do one more.
because I know you have to go at some point, so I don't want to keep you for too long.
As long as it's not too long a mission, I'm sure I can find another one.
We'll see. God, I'm so happy that I have fucking stable internet.
So that's so your horses can go online.
You're not wrong. Just my fucking router's like in like shitloads of like hair bales.
Yeah.
Just kind of chilling there. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can go to your room and then like there's shit you can unlock, right? Milestones. Yeah, like perk. Okay, I forgot you can do that. All right. Let's see. What do we have? Something not long. Mission length. Collect 4 alien legs. Legs? Eggs. Those are short missions. I said, the thing is, I don't trust the when it says mission length. I don't trust it
Right.
because
that's the mission length for people who are competent.
we're not.
Exactly.
Mineral Mania. Cave complex. Oh,
That sounds fun. Have we done a Mineral Mania before?
it's oh god, what's it called? It's like a modifier for
There'll just be lots of minerals to collect on that mission. I see.
yeah. Well, the quickest one and the lowest cave complexity is this just a mining expedition.
Yeah, can do. I will follow your lead. Pick what you would like to play. It is your stream.
That's true.
I am but a humble guest.
Let's do
I choose you.
let's do low risk mining. Why not? On a full break, should I A, practice my bass and drums, do my missing schoolwork, rot in bed? Practice your bass and drums. You're talking to a guy who plays bass. Obviously,
I'm gonna be devil's advocate and say, do your schoolwork. School is important. Stay in
school is important, yes. I usually say do your schoolwork, but you mentioned bass, so I have to immediately go to that. 3 cheers for Olaf's internet in the form of donations. Hint, hint. No, we listen. We had a lot of gifted subs and stuff already, so.
Get ready to rumble.
Ooh, red.
This is a simple mining mission. Deposit your quota of more
Very red.
to the mule, and we'll send a drop pod to get you out. Good luck.
Very red.
Collect gunk seeds and extract morkite. Okay.
Gung seeds. That's what they used to call me in high school.
What, Galaxies?
Yeah. I'm good.
My call for Molly. Heavily in my mood.
Molly, come here. See, bass and drums are cool. School, on the other hand, leg. Yeah. You should do schoolwork. Do schoolwork and then play bass and drums. Or practice bass and drums.
Marker up.
Common salt. As opposed to rare salt. We have to mine downwards.
I'm on it.
I'm doing homework, so at least someone is doing homework. There you go. Oh, there's so much more nitro here. Hello?
Okay.
Time was it.
My nitro is full.
This is mine.
There's some gold here as well. Schools for nerds. Imagine going to school in 2024. Couldn't be me. Okay, that's good. Are we still going? Yeah. I usually stream for 4 hours, but we're not gonna go that long because Stoops has to record stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, welcome back, Vixen. Hope you're doing well. I say as I watch the stream while holding my Cosmo plush and laying on my Gengar plushie. And an alien onesie as well, Jesus Christ. There's, holy shit, there's so much, like, materials here.
There's so much of all the minerals we're not being tasked to collect.
Hmm.
I need a damn minecart on legs. Where is it?
Oh, well, there's some more, right? Also, some Bismore.
Rocks and stones may break my bones, but beer will never hurt me. Gee, I'm feeling poetic today.
Hello? There you go. I'm snug as a bug in a rug, man. The bed bugs can't even fathom. Bars.
Flares up. I got the
Let's see. Molly, come here. Snug as a bug on a drug. No! Do not give bed bugs drugs. Don't do drugs,
So-
kids. There's so much.
It's a We Happy Few quote, I think.
Huh?
Snug as a bug on a drug is We Happy Few, I think. They say that in there.
Oh! See, I wouldn't know because I didn't watch it. I fucking need to watch it. I love What We Do in the Shadows, like the movie. So I need to watch
We
it.
Happy Few is not what we do.
Oh,
in
We
the
Happy Few, fuck!
Come in.
Listen, same...
Same first letter of that
First-
place.
Same... No, first... Yeah, actually, no, yeah. I am stupid.
Rather you are. And a big pearl thing.
Oh?
Yeah, like a big old ball. And a ball.
Need some free space.
Oh, fuck.
An Eno
Eno
pearl.
Pearl.
Your tin ass over here and hurry, please. Lighting.
10 cheers for Stoops who got the quote minus. Listen, I've never fucking played We Happy Few.
All that being said, What We Do in the Shadows is also brilliant. It's one of my favorite TV series, so definitely also do watch that.
Yeah. I need to, like, find a time to, like, go to yours and then we just watch the series. Oh, yeah, has there been any more episodes of Doctor Who since the last time I was at yours?
Not since that season ended.
Wait, the season ended? What the fuck?
Yeah.
I've only
like,
watched
8 episodes long.
Oh, okay, I've only watched like 3. Because we watched the Christmas one.
When it's airing, it's a weekly show, and you haven't been here in months. So yeah, that
true,
season
yeah,
ended.
You're not wrong.
It's not America where every season of a show is like 38 episodes long.
Yeah.
Because America. No, we're in England where TV series are lucky if they get 8 episodes a series.
Lucky if they don't get cancelled or whatever else happens. Well, if you need to do both, play We Happy Few and watch What We Do in the Shadows, the movie and the show. I've watched the movie.
I mean, you definitely don't need to play the game. You don't need to play We Happy Few. No one needs to play that.
No one needs to play. We don't talk about We Happy Few.
It was a fun premise, poorly executed.
Stoops released a good song about it.
Oh yeah, I'm very proud of the song about it. At least the remaster.
Yeah.
But yeah, the game itself, really, really fun premise, really fun world building, but the execution, just they made it randomly generated, procedural generation, which didn't work.
What the fuck is this? Yeah, I've heard like many kind of, I say bad things. I saw many reviews of it.
This is as someone who like backed the Kickstarter originally and like was like very not involved with, but followed the development like from the beginning.
Yeah.
A lot of missed potential. They could have done so much better had they just made a world map that was designed properly and didn't randomly generate every time you played, which led to really, really long treks between objectives where it would put entire tracts of the same repeating town assets between your objectives, which you had to stealth through every time.
I didn't know it was procedurally generated. I
that
remember
was the
like
main flaw with it.
I just thought like because maybe I'm misremembering, but like the main complaint that I remember was like that the gameplay was like not the best.
It was pretty repetitive, and it had survival mechanics, but they really weren't needed. Like, you had a hunger and a thirst bar that was just frustrating to keep up with and wasn't actually fun to engage with.
Yeah. Oh wait, are the gunk seeds the things that, like, up top? Is that what we're collecting?
Wait, what, sorry?
The things up here, is that gunk seeds?
Oh, maybe. Those look like... I would believe it. Yeah, that's what they look like.
Okay, so there's a few, like, back... Yes, they are. There's a few back where we started, if I remember correctly.
Oh, okay.
Sounds like freedom to me. Yeehaw. Can I throw this? I can. I'll just throw stuff there.
Okay.
Oh.
We're collecting gunk seed mission control. We're busy.
I just build stuff. Just listen to it to joy instead. Yeah, do that. It's way better than the game.
The remaster is at least.
I love the game, but I also played after most of the bugs got worked out. Interesting. We Happy Few is procedurally generated. That's an interesting choice. It was weird because I remember watching the video for It's a Joy and seeing the scene where the piñata turns into a rat. The biggest deja vu.
Yeah, like interiors were like key story locations. You don't go through a loader, and that would not be randomly generated. But the Overworld was like procedurally randomized.
I remember because, like, I love speedrunning. If there's one thing you guys ever want to know about me, I love speedruns. I remember watching, actually, a We Happy Few speedrun, and someone did complete it, like, very quick. So that means they just got a very good seed of it. Which, here's the thing about speedrunning. Randomly generated shit, not the best. It's just speedruns, obviously. Because you're trying to find the best seed, you're trying to find, like, the good, like, location to start, etc., etc. That's why, like, stuff like roguelike games, difficult to speedrun, because you need to, like, go through so much, like, through so many seeds to try and even, you know.
I need the mule right here, right here. For Carl!
For Carl?
The
fuck is-
Carl.
Carl. The famous dwarf.
The most famous one.
Yeah. Okay, so we definitely need to go back because there's. Yeah, I remember. I was thinking, like, what are those big bull sacks that are floating? Turns out they were gunk seeds.
Turns out it was the mission.
Alright, let's go back. Also, this looks interesting. It being like a whole cube.
Yeah.
So the clip before somewhere years before the video and the game came out, but I can't for the life of me remember where. Probably when the teaser came out. That was like the whole
Yeah, it
thing
was
with
in
like
trailers.
yeah, the whole thing with the like the piñata and then like it being a rat. That was like in the trailer if I remember correctly, so
Yeah,
that's
probably
what,
all
like-
these mental things.
Down it goes!
because I remember that like that also intrigued me into the game. That was it, and then I read the reviews and I was like, huh, interesting.
Ollie, over here!
My thing is game glitches. I love a good glitch, and speedrunning is neat. Branch off of that. Oh yeah, if a game has like really good glitches, and like speedrunners fucking abuse that shit, phenomenal, amazing.
Where is that damn mule?
One of my favorite glitches. I say glitches. One of my favorite glitches, is when the Mario glitch, the Super Mario 64 glitch. If you know what it is, you already know what it is. But the ladder glitch, the ladder, not the ladder jump, the stair jump glitch, which it fucking propels you like you literally travel at max speed. It's so fucking good. That and another glitch that it isn't really a glitch but a game mechanic. In Two Worlds. If people ever know of that game, it's pretty old at this point. In Two Worlds, you can fight the boss within 2 minutes of the game starting, and the boss is situated like near a populated area of civilians. So the boss, if you attack the boss and then make the boss coincidentally hit civilians, the civilians will aggro at him and fucking continue attacking him, and then you could complete the game within like 4 minutes. It's fucking phenomenal.
Where is that damn tin?
I just love speedruns. They're so good. Always wanted. I think I talked about this before. I really wanted to get into speedrunning by speedrunning Dishonored.
Oh, nice.
Because it's such a, like, a high-paced game that you could, like, if you know, like, the shit, like, all the layouts and stuff, you know exactly what to do.
You can absolutely speed on that, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Two more.
How green I was when I started here.
One more. That's it.
Secondary objective completed. Now finish.
Are there any others? There
No,
are some
no.
others, but
At least we don't have to haul all these minerals around ourselves.
Yeast cone. Yeah, I think that's it.
I'll whack a big flare up in case.
Yeah, that's
I
it.
think we've cleared it. Love that.
We're literally...
Oh no, there's one on the floor here.
Oh, there you go.
One that we've already knocked down but not deposited.
I like when the glitch makes the game funny, like Goat Sim. Well, the thing about Goat Sim is
It's designed to be glitchy. Right?
it's designed to be glitchy.
Kind of. Well, it was. Well, originally it was just made in 24 hours for a game
Yeah.
jam.
So it was glitchy because they made it in one day.
Yeah.
And then it went so viral that they were like, okay, let's just polish this up a bit and release it as an actual game. But then obviously it became the meme that it was glitchy. So from then on, they eventually left glitches in.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
That's how they made it lovable. It's a very minor glitch in Twilight Princess where you can run in magnetic ceilings without the iron boots and use it all the time because I hate how slow the boots are. Oh yeah. Oh fucking... Am I... Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, what are you?
Oh, there you go. Okay, I found the way. Let's go. I think Legend of Zelda glitches are funny
Drop pod departing in
as well.
4 minutes.
Especially the one in fucking Breath of the Wild, in which you can use a stick to fucking defeat Ganon.
That glitch, or was that just skills?
No, it was a glitch because I think there was a specific way to make make the stick do like stupid amounts of damage
Right.
by just holding it and not attacking Ganon. That you literally just had to hold the stick and like make him like, oh hello big guy.
Oh, hey.
And just, God, it's so, like, I don't know how to explain it, but basically just it being like around and it just like does like 5 damage per 0.1 millisecond.
Oh shit.
So yeah, my favorite glitch is not able to save in power, so I finished the game in 4 days. Jesus Christ. I don't think that's a good glitch.
Yeah, that's not so good.
I tried so hard to learn how to wind bomb and I cannot get the timing of it. Oh, wind bomb is phenomenal because that's the way you fucking
Damn, I'm good at this.
like fucking travel around in the game. Well, that's how speedrunners do it, at least. Unlock. There we go. Welcome back, Horus. Weirdest glitch I've ever encountered was Fallout 4 when the Mora cave near Red Rocket, where you meet Dogmeat, just for no reason explodes like all hell, like a second nuke was in there, and I had never encountered it before. Interesting. Usually, like, Fallout 4 stuff is, like, set in stone, but...
I don't know, Bethesda games are pretty glitchy.
Fallout 4 is pretty fucking glitchy. Alright, are you gonna be heading off now, or?
So I'm just going to check my unlockables and the like, but I believe I have a claimable perk point.
Pog?
Ah, yes.
Sliding through the egg glitches too is I can't think of it right now. It wasn't a fun glitch because if I left my game was stuck and I had to restart anything, that is a pain in the ass. I'm so sorry. This is on the Switch, right? I don't know why.
Said I had a claimable perk point, but I didn't see where that was.
It's in your quarters.
Oh, my quarters. Ah.
Like the
Oh,
first
yeah. I remember.
this one over here.
Yes. Okay. I remember.
Let me out. Thank you for the hydration. Hydrating right now. Hydrate both of you and also chat. Don't worry, I'm hydrating. Doing the hydration. Pardon me.
Ah, yes. Perks. I forgot all about this thing.
Medbay. Oh, this is where you, like, respawn.
So I have 15 available perk points. Okay.
Ah, you should probably spend them.
Oh, you only have a certain number of slots. That is, they're not all active at once.
The Quebec version of Mask Singer and The Love is more interesting. The performances are so bad. Hey, what? Oh, what? Woohoo?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Stop it now.
My favorite perk is Beastmaster, or as I like to call it, Friend Shape. Bless you. Bless you. Big sneezes. Oh, bless you. Jesus Christ.
I can't sneeze once. I don't know how to sneeze once. I sneeze at least 4 or 5, and that's like a small number for me.
I
My
get
record's 32.
that. It's crazy that you keep track. I don't. I fucking remember, like, I usually have, like, sneezing fits when I go to the toilet. It's really fucking weird. It's like I'm allergic to the toilet. Or, like, the bathroom. I literally just, like, if I go to a number 2, right? It's number 2. When I do the poopy, I just, oh, what the fuck? I just fucking sneeze like crazy. There's points in time in which I just sneeze like 12 times or so, and then my fucking just whole body hurts. Don't you hate it when you, like, sneeze so many times that you literally, your whole body just fucking aches?
Yeah, that is the worst. That is the worst. I get a really bad ache in my left arm when I sneeze too hard.
Yeah! It's that and, like, your right shoulder and stuff sometimes.
It's always very specific, like my left arm, like around the elbow. I sneeze really hard or too many times. I get really bad, like, ache in there. And no one I've ever told about it, like, not that they don't believe me, but no one has ever said, "Oh yeah, I get that." So clearly, we are among the elite sneezers.
The elite sneezers.
Yeah.
The people who sneeze. Yeah, it's so weird. Like, if you sneeze so many times, obviously, like, it hurts your chest or whatever. But then, like, yeah, it hurt, like, aches your arm and stuff.
Yeah, that's not fun.
This is where, like, this is like the doctors in the chat are like, so actually, you're suffering from this condition.
You should see I'd go to a hospital immediately.
You will die within 2 days. Oh god. The live is more interesting. Yeah, because they also tune the hell out of the performances as well. The overblessed Stoops save some for Liz. Oh, you're right. I sneeze once, but it's like a bomb when I do, and it sounds like it could be fatal. Just a fucking nuclear bomb goes off in your bedroom. I have a back injury right now, and sneezing is so painful. God bless you, soldier. Jesus Christ, I'm so sorry.
Ooh.
I popped
Sorry
my
to hear.
neck. Oh. I popped my neck once sneezing, and my neck pains of the day went away. Oh, that's another one. Neck aches. Oh. My dad sneezes like 6 times in one sneeze. How? Oh, does he like do like...
Rapid fire.
fucking submachine gun. I don't have weird sneezes, but I have graduated to dad sneezing this season. But I do have very painful hiccups. Hiccups. Oh god. Dad sneezing. Bro, dad sneezing is the best though. Because here's the thing. I love sneezing, but like I say I fucking hate it. But like every time I sneeze, I just make this weird fucking noise now. I don't know what happened to me. I just do it. If Mayo was here, they would tell you, like, confirm it. No, that's Reddit, you're right. No, it's was it WebMD? Whatever the fucking that's called. It's like Dr. House said once, or like the crew, whatever the fucking disease that they usually say. It's not lymphoma, but like it's the other one. One time I sneezed so hard I popped my shoulder and went to the doctor and was prescribed Robax. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Sorry, is disgusting, but one time I sneezed so much I got a nosebleed and there was blood in my ear and eye. How? How did that... Did you, like, fucking... Did you, like one of those cartoons where, you know when the cartoon gets pissed off, they fucking start steaming from the ears and, like, the nose? Did that happen? It's like, yeah, so rapid fire. So I'm doing it now too. I'm in my era of dad sneezes. Let's fucking go. Everyone's in the era. It's that time. It's getting to that age. Lupus, that's the one. It's lupus.
Yeah.
I sneeze after eating rice, which combined with dad sneezes is the biggest mess of all time. Because it's usually still in my damn mouth, so you just fucking shotgun the fucking rice everywhere. Not even that age, but I have dad sneezes. Don't worry, dad sneezes hit you whenever. Well, a lot of the time when I get nosebleeds, I cry blood. It's just too much for me. Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah.
Hopefully a doctor tells you something about that. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's okay. It's kind of epic, but also Jesus fucking Christ, that is a serious condition. I think a YouTuber once sneezed so hard they displaced a rib. How do you displace a rib? Aren't they, like, you know, attached to? If you displace a rib, does that mean you're displacing like a whole fucking like skeletal structure? Like what? I'm not sure. Haminations has some injury related to sneezing, I think. Haminations? Never heard of that. Welcome back, Vixen. I'm gonna nosebleed in a while because before it was about 5 times that I got random even in my sleep. Jesus Christ. What did I come to? We're just talking about sneezes. Let's see a doctor, and it's just a thing to pop in my nose, and now I'm totally fine. Okay, fair enough. I'm glad they fixed it. Sounds potentially useful for Halloween to be able to cry blood. But listen, if you cry blood, pretty fucking epic. Scary, but epic. Alright. Are you done, Stoops?
Yes, I was buying weapon upgrades, which I doubtless will forget all about next time I play this game.
Probably.
But they're there now.
I think...
Well,
It depends when we... Yes, like, when are we going to be planning to... At least, I say planning. We can't plan because of your schedule and stuff.
it's very much just whether I'm free on that day.
Yeah.
So erratic these days.
I'll try to, like...
Yes, hopefully next weekend if nothing comes up. I
Yeah.
don't think I have anything on for next weekend, but there are some things that might happen next weekend that I don't have confirmed yet. So we'll see when we get there.
Yeah. I was going to say, because, like, the video that we're working on, very scary.
It's so scary.
But also, I don't think it requires too much, like, effort, per se.
Maybe effort in a different way. To
In a
how
different-
we
yeah.
do videos.
Yeah. Making it, like, the vision that you want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, I can... We'll see next week. I'll definitely message you. I'll definitely, like, see if you're down or anything.
For sure. I would definitely like to be down. We'll just see where we're at.
Yeah. It's always nice to have you around. It's always nice to play with you. Maybe we could try and
Always
get
nice to be here.
maybe we can try and get Benedict as well.
Oh yeah, possibly.
So now we can like play as a free.
Mm-hmm. Oh, session closed. Okay. I think also, I think Oxy also is this.
Oh yeah, they do.
I think,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be wrong. So
Yes, I think I remember like they talked about it. We could could like see if Oxy would be down as well. That'd be pretty fucking cool.
yeah, we'll see what happens.
We'll
But
see.
for now, I shall bid you goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care of yourself.
I will. You too. Thank you for having me. Thank you, chat, for tuning in.
Thank you for being here. I will play Dead Rising Remastered soon.
Do it. I look forward to watching it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it.
I hope I will. Take care of yourself.
Okay. Good night, buddy.
Good
Bye,
night. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. There you go. Hello. Hello, everyone. How's it going? You can catch up to stream. To chat. I did. Mr. Glitchy. Or Mr. Glitch. It's not Mr. Glitchy because I realized unless it's Mr. Glitchy T88. But I'm guessing the YT stands for YouTube. I did use it once to scare my friend. Just see right after. Jesus Christ. I found it, and yes, I was almost correct. Apparently, yeah, they threw out a rod from sneezing. They were Jesus fucking Christ! How the fuck? That's crazy. Like the power of like the sneeze you have to do to just fucking break a rib. What the fuck? Did I come to the tail end? Yeah. Unfortunately, like Stoops had to Stoops has to work on something. Or like record for the Halloween song. I'm very excited to see the song. It will be very fucking good. Very scary. Supposed to be no, I came out at the tail end. I'm sorry. Hey, I will say this right now. Hey, if you enjoyed your time here, I stream every day. I stream all days apart from Monday and Thursday. I don't know why I do the the fucking Spider-Man thing. I stream all days apart from like Monday and Thursday. I take the day off on Monday and I have Patreon on Thursdays. But yeah, I usually just stream video games, talk with people and stuff.
Sub to Olaf now Bassed one gun.
You should absolutely sub to me so that you can have access to the wonderful emotes. Yeah, if you're here from the Stoops, I really appreciate you guys being here. It means a hell of a lot. You guys are great. Now I realize I've been watching all the stream, but I haven't followed. I feel so dumb. That's okay. It's completely fine. Now that they're gone, I can talk about feet. No, we're not talking about feet. Listen, this is not gonna go to the point where we're gonna start talking about fucking periods and woman pants not having pockets. It's like Jesus Christ. Oh, are you going, Vixen? Thank you very much for stopping by. Take care of yourself. Oh god. It's but yes, we sometimes try and get Stoops on as much as we can. Really, they're a very busy person. A very busy person that I try to get a hold of as much as I can. Yeah, I try to get a hold of them as much as I can because I know they overwork themselves a lot as well. I say overwork. They do a lot of stuff. Especially with like the production quality that they have. It's crazy how much work they put in and stuff. I just, like I said, I try my best to just kind of pull them away from from whatever they're doing and at least take a little break, even if it's like a small, like a 3-hour or 2-hour break. I try to do my best. Gotta go, my aunt is here. Thank you for the live. Well, thank you very much for stopping by, Vesper. Take care of yourself and have a wonderful time. Have a good Thanksgiving. It's that time of the year and I have no pockets. I can't help with that, unfortunately. I really hope they get a good break now and then. Well, here's the thing. Because here's the thing about that, like, ever since they hit like the 1 million sub mark, they were planning to like, because they cut down the like, they want to cut down the intake of or like the release dates and stuff of the songs, like to be like as less frequent as they were releasing, so that they could take like a little break or whatever. But even now they still can't, like, to be honest, they did say that they've been playing like other video games now themselves anyway. Like they've been playing Astrobot and stuff. But Jesus Christ, they're still busy. So I try my best to like help as much as I can. Especially like with Deep Rock Galactic and stuff. Because Deep Rock Galactic is fun. It's like brainless fun. That you don't need to do too much in. Pardon me. Jesus Christ. So, yeah. Anyway, we might finish the stream here. It's been a good stream. It's been a nice kind of like, this was a Sunday vibe day. It's been like, so fun fact, I used to do like Sundays used to be like Sunday vibe days. Now I'd make it like community Sunday, in which I just play with other people or play with the community. If you guys want to, you could absolutely like stop by on Sundays, and we do like community Sundays in which we either play video games together or we watch a movie, depending on how I feel. But usually, you know, we play games. Last times it was Death Sprint 66, Fortnite, and we're still looking for games, various different games that we could do. So, yeah. If you ever want to do that, you should absolutely like keep an eye on you should keep an eye on my Twitter, or you can join our Discord to see when I stream and stuff. I'll have at the end Rock and Stone, brother. Rock and Stone. Rock and Stone. Big Rock and Stone, let me tell you that. Oh god. If I had a pickaxe, I would fucking, you know, celebrate it with raising it up to the sky. But yeah, we're probably gonna finish the stream here. I'm probably gonna rest a little bit. I'm taking a day off tomorrow, so I'm gonna just chill and vibe. And then, yeah, it's probably gonna be it for me for today. So, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves. You're beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, and just purely fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Yeah, I'm taking the day off tomorrow. Gonna rest a little bit. Gonna, like, actually turn my brain off and not worry that I don't have fucking internet, because I finally have internet. It's so good. It's great. I love it. Yes! Yeah, so I can actually just rest knowing that I could do stuff. And then we're back on Tuesday playing Xenoblade Chronicles. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll finish the game this upcoming week. Fingers crossed, I'm not too sure, but we'll see. And then we could go to Dead Rising Remastered. Or was it? What's the full name called? Dead Rising Deluxe Remastered. There you go. So we'll be doing that afterwards. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me for today. Thank you very much for coming. I'll love you and leave it all for tonight. Take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful night, or have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you all on Tuesday. Take care of yourselves and have a wonderful, wonderful... Is that the game you got today? Yes, I did, yes. Yeah, that's the game that Stupid gifted me. Dead Rising Deluxe Remaster. But yes, thank you very much for coming. I'll love you and leave it all for tonight. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful night or the rest of your day. And see you all on Tuesday. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.